Page number 62. Page number 62. Page number 62. Page number 62. You see here there are some pictures are given here. Page number 62. Last, divide and multiply. Divide and multiply. You can see here there are some balls in the carton. Are there balls here? How many balls are there totally? Can you count? 12 balls are there. Sharanya, take the textbook and see. There are 12 balls are there. If you divide that into 2, the 12 balls, if you divide to 2, if you divide in 2 groups, the 12 balls, if you divide in 2 groups, in each group how many balls will be there? 6. Very good, 6 balls will be there. If you divide the 12 balls in 2 groups, you will get 6 balls in each group. If you divide the 12 balls in 2 groups, you will get 6 balls in each group. Now, you see here the same thing I can say into the form of multiplication. This is the division. You can say from this division, you can say like that. 6 into 2. 6 2s will become 12. Is it right? When you divide 12 objects into 2 groups, in each group there will be 6 balls. From this, what can you say? 6 2s will be 12. 6 2s are 12. Same in this way, you can see the stars here. How many stars are there in this insect? Count and say how many stars are there? 18 stars are there. In the second picture there are 18 stars. 18 stars if you divide into how many groups? 18 stars are dividing into 3 groups. Then how many are coming in each group? 18 stars are divided in 3 groups. Then how many stars came in each group? 6 came. So means you see here this division we will convert into multiplication of 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. Same like that you can see the page number 63. There are cups are there. How many cups are there? How many cups are there? Yes, 16 cups are there. 16 cups you are dividing into 4 groups. 16 cups you are dividing into 4 groups. Meaning in each group, means in each row, how many cups are there? 4 are there. Means this division we will say in the form of multiplication. How? Very good. 4 4s are 16. See the page number same for 63. There are eggs are there. Can you say how many eggs are there? 36 eggs are there. How many are there? In one row 6 are there. Like that 6 rows are there. So means totally how many eggs will be there? 6 6 are 36 eggs are there here. How many are there? 36. 36 eggs if you divide into 6 rows. If you divide 36 into 6 rows, in each row how many eggs are coming? You are dividing the 36 eggs into 6 rows. Very good. 6 eggs So means from this what can you say? 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. So means what are you finding here? Every division we will write as multiplication. Every division we will write as multiplication. When 12 divided by 2 is 6, you can say 6 2s are 12. When 18 divided by 3 is 6, means this division we can say in the form of multiplication, like that 6 3s are 18. 16 divided by 4 means you will get 4, means 4 4s are 16. And 36 divided by 6 will be 6, means 6 6 are 36. Okay, so you see like that some other divisions I am saying here. 84 divided by 4. Like this divisions I think you have learned in 3rd class. 3rd class only. Once again I am saying to you, when small are there, by using table you said. When the number is big like this, 84 divided by 4, means in 4 table you can't say this number. Normally you are saying in table only, no. But here table is very difficult. So that's why what we will do, we will do the division method like this. We will take 84 and we will take 4 here and we will divide. So how do you divide? You know, first of all, you will take only one number, with only one number you will consider. Not full number. You will consider only one number, that is 8. Now we will read the 4 table. In 4 table, 8 when will come? We are going to read the 4 table and here we will consider only one number. Then you will check in 4 table 8 when will come. Very good. 4 2s are 8. So we will write here 4 2s are here. 4 2s are 8. Then you will do the subtraction. Then 8 minus 8 you will subtract it. 8 minus 8 will be 0. Then one more is left here. One more number 4 is left. That 4 you will take here. Then again we will read the 4 table. In 4 table, when to the 4 will come? So that one you have right here. 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4. Now again we will subtract here. 4 minus 4 will be 0. There is no other number to take. Only 2 numbers are there. 8 to 4. 8 you have taken here, 4 you have taken here. Now numbers are completed. So we will stop it here. And we will say this is divisor. What is this? Divisor. And this is dividend. Dividend. And it is quotient. This is called quotient. And it is called remainder. So you need to know these names. When one number is dividing by another number, which number is dividing, that is called as dividend. Which is dividing, that is called as divisor. Divisor. This is dividend and this is divisor. The answer what you are getting here, that is called quotient. And just down what is there, that is called as last what number is coming, that is called as remainder. So means when you are dividing 84 chocolates to 4 members, when you are dividing 84 chocolates to 4 members, then how many chocolates do they get each one? 21 they will get each one. Okay. Do you understand? When 84 chocolates are divided by 4 members, then each one will get 21 chocolates. That is the meaning of that. And this is only if you write in the multiplication form. 21 fours are 84. So 21 fours are, you see 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 21 fours are 84. So this is the way of doing division. So some more examples. Today I will explain you so many examples of divisions and you need to be perfect the divisions today. Listen how I am explaining, listen. So this is one example, you need to write it from the video. And one more example. $85 divided by 5. 85 divided by 5. So what should we do now first? 85 you should take and you have to divide it by 5. First you should take only, we will consider only one number. Then we will check in 5 table when do the 8 come. No chance. In 5 table there will be no 8. But at least something less you take, no problem. 8 is not coming, no. 8 to less anything is coming. 5 ones are 5 will come. 5 twos are 10. 10 is more than 8. This 8 is there, no. 8 to more you should not take. You should take less only. So 5 twos are 10 is more. That's why what I will do, I will take 5 ones are 5. So you will read the table in your brain and you will check it. Exactly if it come, okay. If not coming, next which is coming less, which how much less it is coming, that you take. 5 ones are 5. Sharanya, watch it here. Now then do the subtraction here. So 8 minus 5, 8 minus 5. How much will be the 8 minus 5? You need to be subtract here. 8 minus 5 will be 3. Next what should we do? One number is already have taken. The second number you have to take here. Like the second number will come here. Now the number is 35. Now you should check the 5 table. In 5 table, how do you get the 35? In 5, very good. 5 sevens are 35. So you write it as 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are 35. Now we will do the subtraction here. 35 minus 35. Very good. It will be 0. So because another number is not there to take here. That's why. So now you see this is what? Quotient. This is remainder. What means it, you know? 85 biscuits. If you distribute to 5 members, 85 biscuits. If you distribute to 5 members, for each member 17 chocolates will come. And no biscuits. 17 biscuits will come, and no biscuits left with him. This is no reminder. 0 means no biscuits left with him. So that is the meaning of division. I think you have understand this. I will say one more example. You better to write from the video, then only you can understand. Okay, now one more example. 97 divided by 4. 97 divided by 4. Means how do you write it now? 97 with 4 table. First we should consider only one number. All of you put on the video and at least respond something. Just simply you are sitting, not responding. Akshara, are you in the class? Put on the video, Akshara. Okay, now we are going to, I said to you, consider only 9 with you. Only 9, consider you 9, only 9. Now read the 4 table. In 4 table, how do you get 9? In 4 table, how do you get 9? How? Not getting. Exactly not getting. Then what did I say to you? When you are not getting directly 9, just something less you can take, I said. Then you will read the table like this. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. 12 when you are taking 12 is bigger than the 9. That's why you will take 8. How do you take? 4 twos are 8 you will take. Then you need to do the subtraction here. So 9 minus 8 will be 1. 9 minus 8 will be 1. Now one more number you have to take it down. That is what we need to take this 7 also down. Now it is 17. Now again what should we do? We need to read the 4 table. In 4 table, how do you get this 17? Sometimes you get exactly, otherwise something less. Can you get the 17 in 4 table? No. Then what should we do? Something less. Read the table. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 8. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. Up to 16, okay. When you take 20, 20 will become big. That's why what should we do? 4 fours are 16. When you take the table 4 table, 4 ones are 4, smaller. 4 twos are 8, smaller. 4 threes are 12, smaller. 4 fours are 16, smaller. 4 fives are 20. 20 means it is becoming extra than this. That's why what should we take? 16 you need to take. Means 4 fours are 16. So you write here 4 fours are 16. Then you will do the subtraction here. When you subtract it here, 17 minus 16 will be 1. 17 minus 16 will be 1. And there is no another number to take down. In first level 9 completed. In second level 7 taken. Another number is not there to take. That's why you should stop here. And you should say this is quotient. And this is remainder. What is this? Remainder. Now, what is the meaning of this division? You see, 97. When 97x divided into 4 packets. When 97x divided into 4 packets, in each packet there will be 24x. In each packet there will be 24x and 1 egg will be left. When you divide the 97x into 4 packets, then in each packet there will be 24x and 1 egg. 1 egg will be left. Remainder means what? Left. And 1 egg left. So one number left and each packet there will be 24. So this is the meaning of the division. Okay? Okay, one more example. Do you understand this example or not? Yes. Okay, one more division. 78 divided by 8. 78 divided by 8. So means you will write 78 first and you will take 8. First I said to you, take one number. First to consider only one number. Do not take the two numbers. Only one digit you take. What is this? 7. Now you need to check it in 8 table. How the 7 will come? Do you get 7 in 8 table? Do you get 7 in 8 table? No. You should not get the 7 in 8 table. Then what do you do? 7. Something less, okay, no? Means you see the table. 7 zeros are 0. Sorry, 8 table no, 8 zeros are 0. 8 ones are 8. Here it is 7. We are considering 7. This 7 is not coming in 8 table. 7 is not coming in 8 table. Then just less you have to make, I said. Means than less what it is, 0 is less. So that's why what you write, 8 zeros are 0. 8 ones are 8 is bigger than the 7. So you will take as 8 zeros are 0. So that's why 8 zeros are 0 when you take. After that, if you do the subtraction, 7 minus 0 will be 7. Then I said to you, consider the another number. Another number is what? 8. You take the 8 down here. Now the total number is 78. Now we will take the 8 table. In 8 table, how do you get the 78? 78 it is, not 8. 78 now. Totally 78 now. 78. How do you get the 78 in 8 table? In 8 table, 78 will not come. Then you check the table like this. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. Sakshika. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 72. 8 tens are 80. You see, 8 nines are 72 is less than this. 8 tens are 80 is bigger. So that's why what should we take? We should take something less, not more. We should not take more, you should take less. Means what it is coming? 8 nines are 72. Then you will do the subtraction here. 78 minus 72 will be 6. And there is no another number to take down. So what do you call this as? A remainder. So what is the meaning of this question? 78 chocolates made into 8 packets. 78 chocolates are dividing into 8 packets. In each packet, 99 chocolates will come. And how many will be left here? 6 chocolates will be left. These all will keep in packets. But 6 chocolates separately will keep. Because fully not there. That's why these are left. These are remaining. These are remaining and this many packets you got it. Okay? Okay, one more example. So here completely I am giving the examples of divisions to you. You need to be practice these all. Divisions are most important. You need to be understand how to do. And one more example. 63 divided by 9. 63 divided by 9. You will write 63 and you will take the 9. I said to you, first we will consider only one number. One number you will take here. Sakshika, watch here girl. In 9 table, how do you get 6? Do you get 6 in 9 table? No, that's why what did I say to you? Read the table, take the small one. That is what? 9 zeros are 0. 9 ones are 9 is bigger. That's why what should we take here? 9 zeros are 0. Then you will subtract here first. Then how many will be left here? 6 left. Next you will take one more number, consider to down, 63. Now in 9 table, do you get 63? Check it. Not coming means something less you take. If you are getting, okay. If you are not getting, something less you take. 9 table 63. Can you get or not? But you forgot the tables. In 9 table 63. You will get 63 in 9 table. Sakshika. 9 sevens are 63. You will get like this how? 9 sevens are 63. So not less. Directly we are getting that. 9 7 are 63. So when you subtract it, 63 minus 63 will be 0. 63 minus 63 will be 0. So means what is the meaning of that? 63 when you divide it by 9, you are getting 7 and nothing left. 0 means nothing left. Okay. So this is the answer you got. You can check this answer also. You can check this answer correct or not. You can check this answer correct or not. How do you check? You know, we will take this number and this number you will multiply. With the answer you will multiply this. 7 into 9. 7 into 9. You multiply, what do you get it? 7 9s are 63. You are getting same answer, same number, no? So this one is correct. How do you check the division? You know, the division which you have done correct or not. How do you check? You know, we will multiply this goal, which are 9 to 7, and we will add the remainder. Remainder is 0. Add it. Then you check it. 9 7 are 63 plus 0 will be 63. Means you should get this one. Then it is correct. Otherwise your division is wrong. How do you check your division is correct or not? Multiply this both and add with the remainder. Then you should get the answer same number. Then your division is correct. Otherwise your division is not correct. Okay. One more example I will say to you. Take it, see. 75 divided by 3. Sorry, 75 divided by 6. So what do you do? How do you do? 75 divided by 6. First you will take one number, 7. 7 comes in 6 table. No means something less you can take, I said. You can take less also. 6 1s are 6 is not less. 6 1s are 6 is not less. 6 zeros are 0. 0 is less. 6 1s are 6 also less. No. 6 2s are 12 is more. 6 12 are 6 2s are 12 is more. But 6 1s are 6 is also small. Is it or not? 6 zeros are 0 only you are thinking. But 6 1s are 6 is also small. 6 2s are 12 is bigger. So that's why what should we take here? 6 1s are 6. Now we will do the subtraction here. 7 minus 6 will be 1. Then we will take the another number also here, that is 5, 15. Now it is 15. 15. Did 15 comes in 6 table or not? 15 will not come directly. But you can take something less. How do you check it? 6 zeros are 0. 6 1s are 6, also small. 6 2s are 12, also small. 6 3s are 18 is bigger. That's why what you will take? 6 2s are 12 you will take. 6 3s are 18 is bigger. That's why 6 2s are 12. Then you will subtract here. 15 minus 12 will be 3. I said to you, how do you check this? How do you check this correct or not? I said to you. How do you say to me? You should multiply this both. 6 into 12. And you should add the remainder. 6 to 12 are 72. And this 3 we added. Means what are you getting? 75. See, 75, same thing. No. Means that's why what is our division is correct. Otherwise division is wrong. Okay. So like this, I will write some divisions for you. That many divisions you need to do it. 75 divided by 5, 84 divided by 7, 96 divided by 6, 78 divided by 3, 97 divided by 4, 83 divided by 2, 25 divided by 7, 86 divided by 9. This many problems you need to do and you need to check it. Your division is correct or not. Okay, now I will send the videos previous and this video also. Previous video and this video also. You said video did not come. So that's why I will send the previous video and this video. Afterwards, you write this, complete this homework. Okay? Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.